One issue you can have with CNC carving is that sometimes there's a little bit of fuzz left at the base of the carvings. And that's true of wood, and it can also be true sometimes with plastics. So how do we deal with that? Well, now as you know with wood, there is just no end to the number of little sanding gizmos that are being sold out there. The trouble with sanding the wood is you're eventually going to remove the detail that gives the carving its life. Well, what I have found the simplest way, the best way to remove those little fuzzies that get left is to use a brush. Now for wood, I like a palmyra brush. So this is made out of the coconut palm. And all you need to do is sort of scrub into the wood. The fibers are stiff. The ends, instead of wearing smooth, tend to fragment, so they always have a little bit of sharpness to them. Now it takes a few minutes of scrubbing, but you're going to be left with a clean carving that's ready to finish. Now for plastics, I like a stiff polypropylene brush like this. Really works well. The final tip I have for you is keep your brushes clean. Don't make the mistake of taking your good brush and cleaning up around your bench grinder, because whatever this brush picks up, you're going to grind it into the wood of your carving. And I can tell you from experience, the bench grinder carving, it'll turn it absolutely gray. So keep your brushes clean and use them only for cleaning up your carvings.